I'm capturing this video from Nepal now. In Kathmandu, there is really heavy rain, and there might be flooding later on, but I don't want that will happen, because that will bring some disasters. But I think this is because of the global warming and all the degradation of the environment and greenery. This kind of unseasonal rain, this heavy rain, is not so productive for our society as well. So I want to request all the people who live in the capital, who live in Kathmandu Valley, please be careful about whenever you travel. Be careful about the rain, and be careful about possible floodings and all. I would like to request all the people living in Kathmandu Valley to be safe and be careful about the rain. Thank you so much, but please be careful about global warming and all. Please start preserving your culture, preserving your culture of preserving the environment, the nature. Thank you so much for watching, and again, please be careful whenever you travel. Thank you.